Hello guys, this is my honest review of this monitor. It's a 10-inch monitor that I've been using for some time with this camera and other cameras, and it works pretty fine, okay? So let me just show you here what options that I have. Starting here with HDMI, and then you have connection here for audio, also VGA, line in, and 12-volt connections, so you can turn it on, right? And also there's option here for menu, so you can control the menu from here using these buttons. And also there's a speaker, so the speaker is usually loud, okay? So sometimes I just connect a cable here on the audio port so I don't mess up with the audio coming from the speaker if I forget to turn the volume down, for example. So let me just show this working. So I have a cable here that I can connect power. Here we go, it's a power supply, 12 volts. Just connect here. And the monitor is going to turn on. As you can see, there's a LED here. It's green right now. And then if I connect some cable, it's going to change the color, right? Let me just connect the cable here. So I have an HDMI cable, and I can connect to my camera. Here I have a Canon camera. I connect it here. And then to the HDMI port, just right here. There we go. Then as long as you have the cable connected and you turn the camera on, of course, don't forget that part, wait for a while and it changes to blue, which means I have now the image of the camera just right here, okay? We just put it here so you can see that I have the image here. See, let me just get something that you can see better. This Loctite, put in front here so you can see. Pretty responsive. Take a look at my hand and the monitor. Okay, it's very fast, responsive, works pretty fine. So it's very interesting if you're using a camera and you can have this affordable monitor connected to the camera. Works pretty fine, right? And also you can connect to a tripod. There's an option here. And you're ready to go, right? You can also use the menu. Here when I press the menu, you have different options. Let me just press it here. So you can start seeing options here. Just approach here to the camera so you can see better. You have control for color, picture, some other functions here. So it works pretty fine. So I use most of the time just connected to the camera to see the image here, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so I still recommend this one because I've been using it for some time. It's pretty good and get the job done. If you want one, just go to Amazon and get yours.